Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm with Flexfilm, and today we're going to have some fun with our prototype battle box. This battle box has been quite interesting to be able to put two window films head to head, use one bulb and one heat sheet. I wish we could take your hand and just put them in front of this. It'd make it a lot easier, but the only way we can do this with a video is use this heat sheet as representation of actual heat. And this thing will change colors when it senses any bit of heat. So I just want you to know that we have people sending us film all the time. I believe there's not a big brand out there to this day I haven't tested and compared it to one of our products. This product right here on my side, this one here is Panaflex. I think it's a 15. I don't want to tell you what big brand this is. It wouldn't be fair. But out of all the big brands and all the film I've tested in this 80 IR category of we call that the entry-level ceramic films that we mostly see with reputable companies, this one's in that category, okay? There's another ceramic product that they sell that's above this. And, we sell the Panaflex, which is above this. So this is an entry-level ceramic. And out of all the products we've tested, Panaflex has beat them all. Hadn't had any problems at all with anything. But this one right here is the one that gave us a little bit more run for our money and probably slightly edges us out. I kind of feel weird about making this video because, I like to win, but I'm not going to make any decisions whether I win or lose here because, see, here's the catch. The big brand over here is going to get you to pay them about $1,000 or a little bit more for a 60 by 100 foot roll. This product right here is going to be a little under $600 a roll. And so based on what I show you, the results of this, let's turn this on right now while I'm talking. You see, this is not a perfect example. We have not tuned this box to be exactly equal on both sides. Sometimes one side favors the other a little bit more, but that's okay. I'm going to go with the results because it's like 97, 98% accurate, but we're just having fun. We're just having fun. I am going to concede, though, this film over here on the right can slightly edge us out a little bit. If you put your hand in front of them, you probably humanly can't tell the difference, but on this heat sheet, you can. But for $400 more, would you really want to, actually get an insignificant difference in heat insulation that you can't even tell? I don't think I would, but what happens is when you give the $400 away, to the big brand, that money is theirs. It's not yours anymore. And, you can't tell the difference between these two films and how they look on the car. They're almost the same identical color. Do you ever wonder what they do with your money? I'll tell you what I know that some of them do. They actually give some of that money back to you. They kind of drip feed it back to you. They give you some cool swag, some keychains. They may even put you on their national marketing campaign. See, we got a little bit of activity going on here. Man, I just can't tell the difference. As a matter of fact, this feels a little hotter to me, but I don't understand. Anyway, I could probably make one phone call. That's all. I could have a little bit of extra tungsten oxide put in this, and I could actually equal this film all day long. And films on this side have actually been doing a little better than this side. That's what we're trying to tweak, but it's okay, man. I don't mind losing. I still feel like I'm a winner here because I know what we have. I know what they have. And, if you put your hand here, you really can't tell the difference. But this is how close this industry gets sometimes. But there you go, man. You can spend $400 and you can get just a little bit better. Or you can buy this and, save $400 and get something you can't tell the difference. And you know what? Give me a few months. I might even sprinkle a little more tungsten oxide in this now that I know I got some competition here. But I'm not going to raise the price. Thanks for watching.